Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss on any of my future videos. I'm super excited to share with you this video and show you some of Dollar Tree's newest items and also showing you some ideas to use with Dollar Tree's items. So stay tuned and watch to the end because you're not going to want to miss not one of these ideas. Before I jump into the video, I want to thank Epic Water Filters for partnering with me today on today's video because they have some amazing products that you're not going to want to miss out on, and you're not going to want to miss out on the discount code that I have for you. This is their filtered water bottle. As you can see the filter right there, but not only that, this design on this bottle is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I really love it, and what's even better is that it has a filter, right? So when you get these bottles is you have to open it up and take out the filter and just submerge it into some water so that way it can, sort of activate the filter and make it more smooth whenever you start using it. So it does have a little unlock and lock symbol, so it tells you exactly how to open it, and then you just pull it out. Nice and simple, and then just place it right inside of a cup or bowl of water. It's best to use filtered water if you have that on hand, but you can use tap water as well. I'm just going to help it kind of get submerged under that water a little bit, and you want to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then place everything back together, and your water bottle is ready to use. And I love this water bottle, but that is not the only thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you also their Epic Water Filter pitcher that you can use for your refrigerator that I think is super nice and great. It eliminates up to 99.9% of contaminants, which is amazing because I don't know about you, but I love the taste of fresh, clean water, and I love drinking water, and this is perfect for me and my family. You would have to go and check them out on their website because you're not going to want to miss out on these amazing products for you and your family as well as the 15% off code that I have for you by using the code Make It With Mia when you are checking out. So make sure you go ahead and check them out because I'm sure you're gonna love it, and who doesn't love fresh, clean water? So go ahead and check them out. You're gonna love it. Now hopping into the video, let's head to Dollar Tree to see what we can find that's new and what we can create some amazing ideas for some organization or everyday DIYs and hacks. So here in their little car section, they have these little trash cans, which I think is really nice and practical because I have a set of little trash cans for the car as well, and they are amazing because you never know when you're gonna have a little piece of trash and you don't have no place to put it. It's always great to have these, and I love that I found them here at Dollar Tree. I also found this little cup holder organizer. You place that right inside of your cup holder and you have 2 extra spaces for some other things. But these are some great finds for your car. Let me know if you have seen them before and if you have them already for your car, but I think those are super nice finds because for those same items on Amazon, it costs way much more than $150 or $125. Moving a little bit up from the automotive section, you can see that they have this mop and broom holder that I absolutely love, and I got an idea for this when I saw this, so I'm gonna pick up 2 of them. And these are great because they hold 2 things and then they hold even a third with a little hook that's there in the middle. And not only that, but you can peel and stick this onto the wall or wherever you're going to place it, or you can nail it. You can see it has the nail holes right on the sides, which is awesome because you have 2 ways to place it down. I'm just going to wipe the wall really quickly and then let it dry so that I can peel and stick this onto the wall. Now I chose to peel and stick it just to really see how durable it is and how it's gonna hold up to what I'm gonna use, because I want to use this to hold my hair utensils such as the flat iron, maybe the blow dryer, or whatever hair utensils that you have that you might want to hang up and just have it out of the way. So let's test it out. I'm gonna hang the first one here. You can see it's really easy to just push in there, and then when you want to grab it, you simply grab it. I'm gonna do the same thing to my little heat brush here. And honestly, you guys, it slides in and out really nicely. It's not hard to like pull out in case you need it really quickly. You can just simply grab it, and I'm even going to test it a little further and place one on that third hook. And this is going to give it a little extra weight because this is a bit heavy, this purple one here, but it's holding up really nice, you guys. And I'm doing this voiceover the next day that I put it, and it's still up. So that's a great thing, and I absolutely love it. So the peel and stick works really nicely, and I think this is a great idea to use it for. You would have to let me know what you think and if you would use it for this as well, because I think it's great. In Dollar Tree, you can find this 4-pack of magnetic clips. This is usually in their office section where they have the office stuff, and you can find notebooks and stuff like that. But I think these are super nice to have in your kitchen, on your refrigerator, to hold notes, reminders, appointments, even important letters here on your refrigerator. I am placing it on the front for now, but I do recommend to place it on the side of the refrigerator so that it looks, you know, more appealing to the eye, not just in your face whenever you are in the kitchen. But I do love these for that. And then when you are done, you can just toss that little reminder and place something new down on here. You can even use these for photos. I apologize if you heard the rain a little bit in the background there, but moving along, you can find in Dollar Tree these coupon holders, as they call them. They are this nice plastic little pouch where you can place lots of things. I absolutely love these. This is a nice find at Dollar Tree for only $1.25 or $1.50 depending on your Dollar Tree. I know some of them still have prices at $1.25, but you can see you can place down a lot of things, and they even have a bigger pocket at the end. But you can definitely use this to hold your coupons, because I know some of us do like to do couponing, or if you just get some here and there that you like to save. Like I have one from Bath and Body Works, I have a couple from Walgreens, I even have another set from a phone case that I would like to use in the future, so I don't want to lose them. So I think this is a great way to place them down in here, to just have them nice and safe, and you can always come to when you need them, and then they can close up in this pouch nicely with this little flap that goes inside. Another great way to use this is for little packs of stickers such as these. I just started journaling and doing, you know, junk journals and stuff like that. So I did pick up some packs of stickers and things like that for my journals. And I think this is a nice little pouch to hold those, just to keep it all together and so you won't lose them. So I just started my collection, but if you are a person who does that sort of stuff, then you might have way more to put inside of here. But I think it's a great way to hold those little things, such as little sticker packs and things like that. And not only that, but you can use this for your letters, aka your mail, or your most important letters that you want to have on hand or handy whenever you need it. Each little folder can hold maybe 3 or 4 envelopes, which is great because that means you can hold many in here. And I think this is a nice idea too, if not my favorite, because you know how it is sometimes just losing letters, and whenever you need something you can't find it. So that can all end with this little pouch that I think it's a super great idea to hold your important letters and mail. Let me know what you think of this idea, and which of the 3 is your favorite, and which are you most likely to try. If you've made it this far into my video, my friend, comment down below home hacks, and I will know that you made it to the very end of my video, which is highly appreciated. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments which of these were your favorite and which are you most likely to try. If not 1, 2, or all of them, I do hope you give them a try, and I will see you all on my next video. Don't forget to check out Epic water filters. The links will be in my description box below, and I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.